Okay, Daniel, we are finishing up putting like terms together for number 5 and getting your final answer. We've got 36x to the 5th. Okay, then I've got my x cubes, so negative 16 minus 30 minus minus another 30. And that is negative 76x to the 3rd.
Dang it.
You did it
I thought this
wrong.
canceled out.
So you just had 16, negative 16. All right, shouldn't it be negatives? Yeah, it should be negatives. And then minus 4x. Yeah?
Yeah.
Done. Beautiful. That was our second product rule. Done. Okay. All right. Ready? Third product rule. Where's the third product rule? Right here. 12. Okay. FG. Do you want to try it on your own?
Yeah.
Go. Do it on your own. I'll give you a 30-second head start, and then I will go. And don't look at mine until you're done with yours. Okay?
F prime. Ow. Ow.
Don't look at mine until you're done with yours. Ah. Very nice. Very nice.
That's too easy.
Got it? Boom. Okay, perfect. Product rule done. So now should we do quotients?
You're mean to me, Carter. What did you say? You're mean to me.
All right, number 4, quotient.
You deserve it.
How is he mean to you?
You just karate chopped me.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
That's rude.
Okay. All right, number 4, quotient rule. F is the top, G is the bottom. What's the rule for quotient rule?
Ow, 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 ow. I blew into my cup and now there's
F prime G minus G prime F over G squared.
You need to start having that memorized. Do you have it memorized?
What?
Yeah, I have that one over.
You do?
G squared. Do we not get the?
You do, but it's easier just to not have to look. Okay, F prime G minus G prime F all over G squared. Okay, all right, so I've got my 4 pieces on top, just like we did with whatever. Okay, except we're going to be really, really super careful when we distribute that negative through, right? All over G squared on the bottom. Okay, the bottom, x to the 5th minus 5 squared, we are not going to FOIL that out. Okay, all right, what is F prime?
Well, where's that? Oh, 0.
0, right? Constants.
Meaning.
X to the 5th minus 5, so we don't even care what that is.
care
It's
about
just going to
it.
go away, right? G prime, what's G prime?
5x to the 4th.
Okay, times F, which is
Those
2. Okay, so that means on the top I have,
negative 10x to the 4th.
you betcha, all over that junk squared. And we're going to leave it like that. Okay, quotient rule.
That was easy peasy.
Quotient rule. Yep, I like it a lot. We could have done the
How many
chain
you
rule
got?
with him.
How many-
At the end, we'll come back. Don't let me forget. At the end, we'll come back and we'll do him chain style. Okay? All right, that was quotient rule. Number 4. All right. Number 10. Okay, you want to try this one on your own?
No.
F on the top, G on the bottom. F prime G minus G prime F all over G squared.
I want more fruity tooties. Those were good.
You would.
They were good.
Okay, go. Number 10. I'll give you a head start.
F prime G. Wait, what?
F prime G
Oh,
minus G prime F.
ew.
Got a weird thing going on here because my G is like, there we go.
Oh,
Ugh,
I
this
wrote
is
too
disgusting.
big. This is how much I wrote too big.
Oh, my writing too big. I hope not. Let me see.
Yeah.
Way big. Let me see it. Yes, I did.
Oh, G prime helps a little bit. If that 5 goes away.
Not really.
Oh, it does a little bit.
Is that a villager noise?
Why is it so big? Stop.
Whoa.
Stop.
Whoa.
Don't cheat.
I'm cheating. It's too
No, you're not.
I don't want to foil it out.
Yeah, because I might have made a mistake.
You get paid to not make math mistakes.
Oh, yeah, this.
Oh, I got to show you something.
What's 12 times 460?
This is co-measure. Can I grab a few more fruity?
12 times 4
No,
is
that's
48.
48.
What?
Just a few more.
12 times
fruity
5 is
teas.
60.
That's all I need.
Okay, you finish this problem.
Can I do
Okay,
that?
if I have them in order.
Yes. So I was looking up Christmas shirts. Actually, I wasn't really looking them up. My Facebook suggested these to me. Ready?
I don't. Is it just 'cause
Fa la to the 8th power. Fa la 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 8
Okay,
times.
that wasn't-
Ah.
That one wasn't.
Oh, come on. Okay. Okay, how about this one? This one's my favorite. I'm totally making this.
You search up math Christmas
Go.
shirts?
No.
What does that say?
Oh.
Slaying math.
What the heck
I
either
showed that to
are
Aiden and Mackenzie, and they were like, "You are not slaying math problems." So
What the
funny.
heck did I do?
Anyway, I don't know. Maybe I did something wrong.
There's a lot of numbers going on, and I don't like it.
Ugh.
Oh, are you not done? No, I don't think she.
No, I'm done.
Well, I didn't do some of that. So.
I don't know. Maybe I did it wrong.
Whoa.
What did you get? You didn't get that.
Let me see. Yeah.
12x
The only thing I
cubed.
didn't do was foil it out because I was gonna take all
I
of
think
it.
we
You-
all wrong.
What? You think I'm wrong?
We all are.
60x to the 8th
Well, I'm definitely wrong.
plus 100x to the 4th
How'd you
plus
get-
12x to
how'd
the
you get
5th
60 to the 8th.
because 20x to the 4th and 3x to the 4th.
Oh my god.
Daniel, we need you here to be the tiebreaker.
Nope, you're right. I think you're right. I really did something wrong.
We should do this every day.
Erase all that.
If I bring
Start over.
some fruities,
Okay, now I got the right answer.
Did you get the same as me?
Yeah.
Woo!
I went 60x to the 4th instead of 60x to the 8th.
True. Okay.
you want fruity tootie? Here you go. Oh, sorry.
Maybe at least make it on the.
Okay.
Here, I'll give you this one.
Quotient rule. Number 10. Done. What's our last quotient rule?
Oh, nice.
Hey, 11. Go.
Double.
11.
Begin 11. I'll leave this one up here for Billy, but you start 11. Go.
I'll do 11.
You zoom out a little bit. See the word. Okay.
Is it F prime Benji?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Minus G prime.
Holy cow, this one's gonna be a long one, I have a feeling.
No, because G is not very long.
Oh, yeah, I guess.
It'll probably be just as long as what the other one was. Okay, you're done with. Are you done with 10, Billy?
Why
No?
does F have
Okay.
to be so long?
Done? Okay. All right, 11.
Yeah, I get to this point and then I lose all motivation to FOIL it out. How about this?
So I did that twice. Why are you chewing so loud?
Dude, these things are good.
Oof, my handwriting is terrible.
What's 15 times 4?
60.
Say that, yeah. Duh. Go look to the clock. Ew.
You're just a touch ahead of me. Checking to make sure I did this right, though. Yep. Don't forget the negative goes with the 8. Holy schmoly. Oh, but some...
That's a log.
It kind of breaks down a little bit. You only have 2. You only have 3 terms.
Those things cancel out.
Now I'm just a touch ahead of you. No, I didn't. Oh, did I do that right?
I don't think so.
No, I didn't. I sure did not. I sure did not.
Okay, let me be the bearer of bad news. Oh, why are you erasing it?
Because I did not do that right.
You didn't do it right.
This and this is this. There we go.
Good.
There it is. Does that sound better?
Oh, crap.
What's going on
Did I do that right?
I misread it.
My eyeballs are like tricking me right now.
Huh. That's what I got.
Is that what you got?
Yeah.
Really? Okay. I'll leave it in there.
I must have wrote something down
Oh.
wrong. Let's go.
The lobster sent me a Snapchat.
Okay.
At this hour?
Very
Look,
nice.
she's
Very
like
nice.
studying or figuring out her calendar or something.
Figured she'd be in the lobster tank right now.
Okay. All right, chain. Let's do some chain roll. Here we go. This guy, they already have him written nicely for you. What does the negative 2 power mean, by the way?
You move out in front.
No.
So basically, it's half. Oh, it's like 1 over. It's the what's that word?
That's
Wait,
what
let
this
me think
actually
of it,
means.
Let me think of it. Let me think of it.
Conjugate.
No, it's not a conjugate.
No. Let me think of it.
Reciprocal.
It's the word I can never remember.
That's what I was thinking.
Yep. So this is what this actually means, right? But they've already fixed it for you, right? They've already moved him to the top. So what you could do is, like with this original guy, you could do the quotient roll on him, right? But what we're saying is we're going to move him to the top, right? And now we're just going to do the chain rule. Okay? So there he is, all right? The chain rule is like the power rule, right? Negative 2 comes down in front. Leave the inside. And then we subtract 1 from the exponent, which is negative 3. But now, the only difference is that would be the power rule. Now we would be done. But now we have to multiply by the derivative of the inside. Nope, derivative of the inside. What's the derivative in the inside?
Negative 4x to the third.
Negative 4x cubed. And the 3 goes away, right? Okay. Now to fix him, this and this, if I multiply those together, that is what?
Shoot, I forgot my cube.
I always put my first and my last piece together.
8x to the third.
8x to the third, okay?
Why did I put
And then we've got this guy right here, right?
that? Just stays.
He's going to go to the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
It's a negative.
to the positive third. And now he's fixed again.
Uh-oh.
Yep, that is that.
I don't like that.
That is the chain rule. The chain rule is my favorite of the four. I've decided.
When did you decide?
Because I decided I like the chain rule the
When?
best. I like the chain rule. Okay, all right. Ready? Next. Let's go down to number 4 real quick because I told you we were going to do number 4. We have already done number 4 as a quotient rule. So just watch. Watch this guy developed into the chain rule. Ready? Are you watching? You don't have to write this down. This guy right here on the bottom is to the first power, right? It doesn't have parentheses around it, but that's essentially what it's saying is to the first power, yeah? If I bump him to the top, this is 2. The 2's just chilling. But now it is x to the 5th minus 5 to the negative first power, right? Okay, now we're going to do the chain rule to him. So the negative 1's going to come down in front. That makes this negative 2, right? Negative 1 times negative, or times 2 is negative 2. Leave the inside. Now he's to the negative second power. But we have to multiply by 5x to the 4th power, yeah? Okay, my first piece and my last piece multiplied together are
9 times the fourth.
negative 10x to the 4th. And then this guy is going to go back down to the bottom where he belongs. And now he's going to become to the positive 2 power. Check it out. That's exactly what we got. Okay? Good? I don't prefer the quotient rule. I don't prefer the quotient rule. I like the chain rule. So if I were to do that problem, I would have done him chain rule style. Right? Instead of the quotient rule, because I don't like the quotient rule.
I don't really buy the quotient rule.
Okay? But, there you go. Okay. Chain rule. Chain rule. Let's do the easier chain rule. Let's do number 7 first, and then we will try to do 6. Okay, you do number 7. Go. I'll give you a head start.
Wait, what do I do again?
7's chain rule is easy. You do the power rule. The chain rule is the power rule.
Oh. So I put a 3 out here.
Leave the inside. Oh my gosh.
You got a smoker's cough.
I really do, actually.
It's that damn phone.
Yeah. Plays on her iPad too much.
Mm-hmm.
What? Is that what you got?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I get away with not putting parentheses around this guy?
Yeah.
Yes. That's totally fine. If this was negative 4 plus 5x to the 4th, then I need parentheses, right? Okay. But because he's only one term, I can get away with doing that. Got it? Okay. Chain rule, check. Last chain rule. This guy. I said write him to the 1/2 power. Okay. You go.
That's not very.
Not very nice. Do this. Just take the derivative, and then I'll help you simplify them, because I'll show you how to cheat.
Out.
Okay.
I'm out.
Take your derivative, and don't simplify them. Just take your derivative. Don't simplify them. Just take your derivative. Don't simplify them. Did you get what I got? Yeah? Okay. Because I have a negative exponent, I'm going to end up with stuff on the bottom. So here's what I do. Okay. What goes on top?
-2x.
1/2 times negative 4x is negative 2x. That is done. On the bottom now is the other stuff, but the 1/2 power means the square root. So I've got this guy. And that is all. Okay? So as soon as you see negative exponents mixed with stuff that will go on the top, draw your bar and then just designate things. Okay? Good? All right, now my favorite thing.
No.
Okay, we got all these rules sorted out. We're good to go. Like we're feeling okay about it. Okay,
Yeah.
now I'm going to confuse you. Are you ready?
No, I was just getting good at
Love it. 13 and 14.
Whoa. Wait, that's a chain rule right
Question,
Is it?
why is there an
there. Well, that's what it
X?
appears. That's what it looks like.
13.
After the first step.
There's an X chilling out front.
There is an X chilling out front.
Yeah, so I'm not sure.
So what is it like 3x?
So what do we got going on here?
Do I chain rule it?
Like Carter says it's a chain rule, right? Because
Well,
he
I
sees
don't-
this.
it just
And
looks-
I agree. This says chain rule to me. But what does this say?
It says I want attention.
Sure. What does these two parts say? Product rule. So we have both of them going on at the same time. Now, here's my question. Okay, we know it's a chain rule, we know it's a product rule. Is it a chain in a product, or is it a product in a chain?
It's a chain and a product.
It is a chain and a product. The outside operation is the multiplication, this guy and this guy, right? What would it look like if it was a product in a chain? You thinking? What would it look like if it was a product inside of a chain?
With the 4 plus 9. Okay.
Do you see the difference?
Oh.
Okay, the chain's the outside operation, the product's
You can
inside.
say that, but
Okay, do you see how this works? Right? Okay, that would be a product inside of a chain. Got it? Okay. All right. So, because these are my favorite. Because the product is the outside, right? The product is the outside operation. We're going to start with product rule, right?
Can
Okay?
you do that again? Carter, you want to go too?
Okay? All right, F is this part, G is this part, right? F is just X, G is this whole thing right here, right? Okay? So because product is the outside operation, we're going to start with product rule. Product rule says F prime G plus G prime F, yeah? Okay, now, of those four parts, where does the chain live?
and the
G.
well, the parentheses obviously, but
Which one of these parts is going to involve the chain rule?
The second one?
the G prime.
The G prime. G prime is where I'm going to have to do my chain rule. Okay? All the other parts we're going to just do product style, right? But when I'm doing the G prime part, that's where I have to do my chain rule. Got it?
Are you lying?
I'm not lying. Okay. All right. Are you ready?
I just can't believe someone would come up with this.
Sure.
Make us learn it.
Okay. What's F prime?
0.
No.
Wait,
1, right? The derivative of X is 1. Got it? G just stays that thing. So X to the 4th plus 9 cubed. Okay. All right. Let's write out F. What's F over here? I'm going to do everything but the chain.
X.
X. Okay, now chain rule. I'm taking the derivative of this guy. Okay, what do we got? 3 down in front. X to the 4th plus 9 to the...
Can you zoom out a little bit? There we go.
X or 4x to the 3rd.
Oh, squared. 4x to the 3rd. Okay. All right, now we simplify as much as we can. So this guy times 1 is just this guy. X to the 4th plus 9 cubed. Done. Okay. Now we got some weird fancy stuff going on here. Over here, this is all like one piece that I'm multiplying. I'm multiplying, really I have like 4 pieces. I've got this guy, I've got this guy, I've got this guy, I've got this guy that I'm multiplying together, right? Okay? I can multiply 3 of those parts together, true? This one, and this one, and this one I can multiply together. What does that give you?
12x to the 4th.
12x to the 4th. The only reason why I can't multiply the other one is because he is to the 2nd power, right?
He's trapped.
And that's it. Okay? That's how he operates. Got it?
This is stupid.
Okay, it gets a little bit more complex when you have 2 rules going on at the same time. Okay, 14. Okay, what does this involve?
Quotient,
A quotient and a
chain.
chain. So is this a chain in a quotient?
Yeah.
UOT, or a quotient in a chain?
First one.
Chain in quotient. You think? Agree?
Yeah.
What would it look like if it was a quotient in a chain?
Parentheses around the whole thing with the fit.
Yeah, this would be, that would be a quotient in a chain. Got it? You see the difference? Okay, so this is a chain in a quotient, which means the overall outside operation is a quotient, right? So we're going to start with quotient, right? So f prime g minus g prime f all over g squared. Okay. All right, my g squared is x plus 7 squared. I'm going to leave them like that, okay? Out of these 4 parts, which one's going to involve my chain?
Oh, yeah.
F prime, right? This is the f part, so f prime, this is where my chain lives. Okay, so I'm going to do all the other parts besides the chain, yeah? No. Okay? All right, let's do all the other parts besides the chain right there. Okay, we'll do him last. You want to start with the chain and get the, okay,
Just
fine,
get him
sure.
out the way.
Get him out the way.
That's
All
how I
right,
do it.
so let's do this. So chain on that. 5 comes down in front. 4x minus 9
Times
to the fourth. Don't forget him. Times 4. Okay. Okay. G. X plus 7. Do you guys write the like parentheses like I do? You know why I do that? Do you start off with the parentheses like that?
No.
Do you know why I do that?
'Cause you're
So I don't forget a part.
lazy.
No, so I don't forget a part.
What if I run out of room?
Yeah.
I don't care.
It's easy for you to write.
Okay? Because you know what? Okay, there will come times. Are you listening to me?
No.
Listen to me. Listen to me. There will come times, just like in that last problem where our chain lived here, right? Okay? So we did this piece and we did this piece, and then this was where our chain was, right? Right? And we get so like involved with doing our chain because their chain like takes a little bit more work than all the other ones, right? And I get my chain done and then I'm done. And if I don't have this parenthesis here, like 90% of the time you'll forget to put the F back in there, right? If you don't have a bubble there.
How do you forget?
Because you get so worried about your chain, right? And your chain is like, bring the 5 down in front, do the 4x minus 9 to the 5th power, and then you've got your 4 right here. So it looks like I have my 2 parts, right, in your chain, but you don't, because you still got to do your other f. So make sure, that's the whole reason why I do my little bubbles, right? Blah, 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 blah. Okay, there you go. All right, good? G prime. What's the derivative of G? 1. And then F is like that other junk. Do 4x minus 9 to the 5th power. Okay. All right. Gross. Okay. You got lots of room down here though. Okay. So you can fill down. All right. This guy over here is minus 4x minus 9 to the 5th power. I don't have to distribute that negative through. In fact, I can't because it's to the 5th power. So I'm just going to go like that. All right. Over here on the left side. What are we going to do there?
5 times 4 times
5 times 4 is 20, right? Now I can distribute the 20 through to the x and the 7, yeah? Okay. So that makes 20x plus
120, 48.
140. I need to move over. Oop. 20x plus 140 times that junk. And that is not quite right. How's it come?
Because
You're not done.
No. What's wrong with mine? You probably did it right on
you
yours,
have
but
to put it in the special order.
no. What's wrong with mine?
Oh, you have to parentheses up front.
Yeah, right here it looks like 140 is the only thing that's attached to that guy. So we need parentheses right here, right? Yeah, because that whole thing is being multiplied by that
Stupid.
stuff to the 4th power. Okay, don't forget. All right, now the bottom is x plus 7 squared.
This hurts. This hurts.
The answer.
Yep, we'll leave it like that.
Oh, boy, that's a lot of distributing.
Yeah, I don't want to do that. So we're going to leave it like that. Okay? You could do more than that. I'm not going to. Right? The purpose of the problem is to take the derivative. The purpose of the problem is not to kill yourself doing.
I hate when problems make me do that.
Is not to kill yourself trying to foil. Got it? Good?
You put them there.
Beautiful, beautiful. Okay? Wonderful, 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 wonderful.
We put those lockers, those things are on our lockers for problems.
All
like
right,
that.
did you guys do any of these, the chain rule problems on 2-6?
Alright, so let's see how much homework I've done.
Did you do the homework on 2-4?
No,
Here's 2-4 homework.
I got number 2 done. 2 blank pieces of paper with problems on.
Whoa! Look at that! How fancy! Beautiful, beautiful.
Don't even have a 2-4 paper.
I have 2-6.
Yes, you did.
4.
3-1. Except it's not due today because we just started.
What day?
It was mean median mode stuff.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that, my
Oh, they're in my book.
officer agenda.
You keep pushing your agenda, Carter. See what
Okay?
I will.
I only have 2-6 written down.
You don't have 2-4 written down.
Oh yeah.
Is that? Yes.
This is 2-4.
And I have a 2-6
Oh, yeah.
starter.
All right.
Word problems. I
On
want
what?
more. I want more graphs. That was good.
What? What are you talking about?
Instead, I want more graphs.
Billy, shut up.
I would rather go to mean median mode than I would to back to graphs. Boo.
No.
No. All right. 2-4. 2, 6, 10. Did everybody get done with 2 or no?
I didn't have this written down.
Here, I'll write 2 down for you. What does 2 say?
2 says.
I don't know. 2. Oh, here we go. You can do
I
this.
need to quit writing.
F of
It's starting to
x.
get sore.
3x squared minus 1.
You gonna cry?
And x squared plus 2.
Wah, baby.
That's a 2.
Yeah,
There you go. There's number 2.
Crazy too.
There's number 2. Go. 6. You're done with
I'm confused. What did you say?
6. Take the derivative. 6. Here's 6.
How do I find the derivative of that?
Are you kidding me? What is this? Which rule are you using here?
Power?
Power. Or no, not power.
Chain.
No. No. What is this thing?
Product.
That times that. That's a product.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
I have something written down. I don't know.
Oh, that's a 3rd.
Why is,
Luke Ludwig traveled to Kearney, guys. Do you want to say hi?
did I see Luke Olson at a football game a while ago?
Yeah, it's a good possibility because I think I did too.
Oh, did you guys see this TikTok?
Okay, do your homework. I'm writing them down for you. Go.
No,
Get like
I
halfway through
didn't.
these and
I
then I
can't
forget
believe
where
all
I'm
those
at.
TikToks are getting banned.
I forget what I need to do.
Yeah.
It's dangerous to scroll TikTok in class now.
Okay,
Because you'll see one.
then don't do it.
I'm gonna see how long.
Put your stuff away. Okay, here you go. Those 5 problems. Go.
This flashlight is waterproof.
Go, go.
And can be used.
Those are the first 3. 2, 6, 10. What are you doing?
Product.
Product. Number 12 and 14 you are doing?
Nothing.
Quotient. Okay, go. Do 'em.
Wait,
You can do it.
Product. I don't remember. I need to pull out.
Is this
Are you kidding me?
F5G.
Oh. 3x. What are you doing?
This was a long time
This is number 2?
Yes. This was a long time ago. I don't even remember writing it down.
You did not do that. Oh. You foiled it out. This is what you got when you foiled it out. Right? You took and foiled that. And then you're taking the derivative of that. Okay, I see what you're trying to do. You're not doing the product rule. You took 3x squared times x squared, which is 3x to the 4th. 3x squared times 2 is 6x squared. This is negative x squared. This is minus 2. I don't know why you put parentheses around each piece, but whatever. So there's that, and then you combine these two middle pieces to get 5x squared.
Do we have to
This
use
is what this
product?
is after you FOIL it. You haven't taken the derivative yet. Now you gotta take the
Okay.
derivative.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so,
It's 12x cubed
uh-huh,
plus 10x.
and that's it.
Yeah.
Okay?
I didn't.
Yep, 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 yep,
Do we have
yep.
to do both ways, or can we just do?
Oh, yeah. Number 2, you have to do both ways.
Well, but not. Well, then what the heck am I doing? I don't know.
What you talking about?
What does it mean?
Number 2, you FOILed it out, right? And you got that?
Mhm.
Whoa, what are you doing? 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 Okay, okay. Hold on.
You cannot put the Slurpee in the double go
Okay.
cup.
All right, I'm gonna stop the video. Okay,